Hello everyone, James here, and got my first signal for this hunt. No idea what it's going to be. It's a piece of, hey, it's a pull tab. There you go, nice. All right, let's keep looking. All right, first relic. It looks like I might have, oh yeah, it's a shoe buckle. Check that out, that's awesome. It's a little bent, but there's a design on it, on the top. Small enough, yeah, that's a shoe buckle or a knee buckle, one or the other. That's brilliant. Hopefully you can see that. Well, you're not going to believe this. I'm about 8 feet away, and I may have found the other part of that shoe buckle. That design right there looks awfully similar. In fact, let's do this. Yep. I'm going to guess that I found the rest of that shoe buckle. Oh, that's cool. Most of it anyway. Yep, that break right there fits. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. What are the chances? Usually you only find one piece and then none of the rest. So that's awesome. That's awesome. I've already GPSed that one piece, so I don't think I'll worry about this because it's such close proximity. That's awesome. Ah, trash. Trash. Not digging the trash today. I've actually still got to get my belt and pouch out. I keep forgetting to grab them. Oh. Alright. See what we got here. More trash. Well, this field definitely has some can slaw in it, but we also know it's got some relics, so let's keep looking. What we got here? Ooh. Oh, you know what? It's it is. Remember I found that lock, the opening to the lock key, the key where the key went? This is lock plate to a padlock, I believe. Yeah, that's a lock plate to a padlock. Very cool. Let me look something up real quick. Bear with me here. I am about, well, it says 20 feet. Yeah, about 20 feet from where I found that, the actual lock opening. This might have something on it too, so that's cool. I'm using the deep program, but I think that would have been found with the shallow, quite honestly. So anyway, let me just save this. Let's see. Lock. All right, brilliant. All right, let's keep looking. Another piece of lead. Looks like it's a modern bullet though. Got another signal. Of course, I got no idea what it is. Looks like a piece of pot metal of some type. It's got a green tinge to it. I'll take it home and brush it off. Maybe there's something on it, maybe not, who knows. Okay, so I just dug this, and it's a button of some type. Looks like it's maybe a two-piece, I don't know. But it's got something on it. I got no idea what it is. So, get it back home and clean it up. But it is a button. Brilliant. All right, talk to you in a little bit. This is a flat button, and this is the furthest in the field I found one. So I was beginning to think that the early 1800s activity was further to the east, but now granted, this field's been plowed over the years, who knows, but it's like there's definitely a cluster behind me. So that's cool. Another large flat button. I will take it, even if it does throw all the theories out the window. All right, folks, talk to you in a little bit. Right, looks like I got another flat button. Yep, sure do. Can't tell if there's anything on the back, but it's cool. Definitely flat buttons here, not much else. But you know, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take flat buttons all day. So, very cool. Got another flat button, however, this one is well away from all the other ones. And it's on where I've been hunting on the top of the hill. Then there's the terraces, and they terrace it here, I guess, because of the rain. It stops it from just washing gullies in the fields. And this is on the downward side of the first terrace. Because I don't know how they did these terraces. I don't know if they scooped uphill or pushed from uphill and created the berm from the top going down, or if they pushed soil up. I suspect they probably went from the top going down because it would have been easier. However, got another flat button here. Don't know if it's got anything on it. No clue. But hey, there you go. Another flat button. Brilliant. Got another signal. Let's see what this is. This is another lock plate cover. Or is it a spoon? Might be part of a spoon. Maybe it's either a spoon or it's a lock plate cover. Interesting. I don't know. Suspect a spoon, it's awfully thin. Plus it looks broken there. That's cool, I'll take it. Oh, and again, this is on the downward side of the first ridge. So, interesting. Downward side of the hill again, downward side of that ridge. Which I think I can show you, it's right there. Got another button, small flat button. Check that out. Wow, what a great day.